Hey guys, I'm Bill Keene, owner, proprietor of CJ's Carpet Cleaning. We just purchased the Blue Bearing Compact 45. Great machine. Let me tell you about this. Before we go on to this, let me tell you what we did as a company. We went and bought the accessory inline filter box that Pete built. It's 3/16 stainless steel. This booger is heavy. I've gone to several companies. They've opened up this box. They thought it was stainless steel. Not stainless steel, excuse me, aluminum. And when they lifted it up, they couldn't believe it. Great accessory. We don't have to climb in the back. Everything gets caught here. A lot easier to clean after every job. The Compact 45, great machine. It comes with a 27 horsepower Kohler motor, 4 LR blower. The heat on this thing is unbelievable. When you turn this dial at 200 degrees, it will go to 200 at the one. I promise you, you cannot grab the fittings or the hose. You have to wear gloves. Not only that, but the performance it puts in the house is unbelievable. My customers are talking to me. We're traveling as far as Orlando to do work. I can't emphasize the easiness of the maintenance on this machine. Open concept, there's no heat. Everything easy to work on in the back. Overall, the performance is unbelievable. You can see I'm reaching my hand back here. It's got a belt guard, 27 horsepower Kohler motor, excuse me. Got the water box, easy to get to. Like on our Pro Cam, we had to go up underneath the frame. Here it is so much easier. We got the 100-gallon tank. You don't have to worry about climbing in the back anymore to get to the filter box. Everything is right here compact. Please, I can't emphasize it enough, come down and see Pete at Holiday, Florida, Blue Bearing Truck Mounts. He's got a 47 XL back there now, folks, that's being delivered on Monday. I would sure love to come back and see those guys face on the 47 XL. Great machine, great quality build. All the competitors that are out there looking at this truck mount can't believe the quality, the workmanship that this gentleman puts in his machines. This machine is going to outlast me. So, Pete, I can't thank you enough. Everything is easy. Everything is right here. Tiny tack, water temp, WD-40 for your blower, bypass valve, temperature valve, pressure pump for your PSI. Listen, this thing is so nice. You don't have to take the bullet out anymore to grease the inside of the bullet. You just turn it, go. Everything is maintained easy. Please come down and see Pete at Blue Bearing at Holiday, Florida for your truck mount and your accessories. He also has a fabrication shop. So for you guys that has the older truck mounts, heat exchangers, floats, hoses, pressure line, solution line, vacuum hose, anything that you need. Also, wanted to bring out a quick reminder. He also has cleaning products here. We tried one of his products. I believe it's Blue Bearing
ground control.
Ground control.
Yeah.
We used it on tile and grout in a house. He has the video online. You have to check it out. Unbelievable grout and tile cleaner. So guys, I can't emphasize it enough. Please come down and see Pete in Holiday, Florida for your Blue Bearing truck mounts and accessories. Again, Pete, thank you so much and look forward to future business.